Right guys, welcome. It's Abdul here and I'm really excited you found this video on how to create a squeeze page from scratch. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a squeeze page that converts at 54.3%, and I'm going to show you why this squeeze page really converts. Okay, so you don't need expensive tools to create a squeeze page for whatever type of marketing that you're doing, network marketing, affiliate marketing, or you're selling your own product. So when we talk about a squeeze page, what we mean is just a simple page whose main purpose is to collect email addresses of people and then redirect them to the offer that you are selling, or if you're promoting as an affiliate, so that you can have their emails and then you can follow up with them. So these are some examples of squeeze pages that I created, and one of the best ones was this one. You can check up in this video. This one was a ClickBank landing page or squeeze page, whatever you call it. And what you will observe is this squeeze page is very congruent with this exact offer. The backgrounds are the same, and then it speaks the same language like the product that I am promoting here as an affiliate. So you want to have congruency between your ad copy, your squeeze page, and also your offer. So I'm going to be showing you how I created squeeze pages when I promote my affiliate products. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead to my WordPress dashboard. If you don't have this, I will leave a link in the description of this video where you can go ahead and get InstaServer or any of my recommended web hosting companies. And you can pay a tiny amount of money every month and you will have a website where you can actually install this page builder plugin called Thrive Architect. Now, Thrive Architect is cheaper and it's better than paying very expensive tools like Landigi, ClickFunnels, Unbounce, and those ones are really expensive. So, well, I have ClickFunnels account, I have account in other software build funnel builders. But again, if you're just building squeeze pages or you're not building full blown away funnels, this one is a way to go. When you look at Thrive Architect here, you'll see that it is a Thrive suite that contains a lot of tools that you can use to create pages, to do so many things with WordPress. So it saves you a lot of money and also saves you a lot of time. So I think the Thrive suite is around $228 per year. That is like 19 bucks every single month, which is like almost 10 times cheaper than all these major tools out there. So I'll leave a link in the description of this video. You can go ahead and check if Thrive Architect is the right tool for you. But again, I built all these pages, these awesome pages using Thrive Architect. Okay. So that being said, let's dive in. What we're going to do is we're going to come over to pages and we're going to create a page. We're going to go ahead and click add new. So we are going to give our page a title. So we can call it page 1 just for the purpose of this tutorial. The next step is you're going to go ahead and click publish so that now the page will be live. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit launch Thrive Architect, and then guys, here's where the magic happens. So now you will be brought to this page. What you want to go ahead and do is click pre-built landing page. Don't click this one because this will take the general design of your theme of your website. So I'm gonna go ahead and click this one, and now I will have a lot of templates will load up. So what I want to go ahead and do is click legacy landing pages, and then I will come on top here and type squeeze. So I have two options here, right? So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I will expand this, and you can see all the expanded squeeze page templates. So what I'm going to do is basically I am just going to select one of these squeeze pages. I think I will go ahead with this one. I don't want one that has a video. I just want to make it simple. Now what I can do is I can apply template. Okay, so now my template is loaded up. What I can do is I can change the headline of this quiz page. Now, when it comes to creating the headline, you want to be very creative here, but also you want to make sure that it aligns with the headline of the product that you are promoting or you are selling. Okay, because you can do this selling your own product or selling someone else's product. So let's say, for example, I come to Warrior Plus over here. I have some notifications. I know these are sales notifications. Okay, so let's just click CPA Suite, and then it takes us here. Now, if this is the product that I am promoting, what I can do is I can check the headline because I want some congruence between my capture page and this headline. So here you say we make 332 daily from people simply clicking our links. Yup, no selling ever. So you can come up with something like the no selling secret to make blah 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 from people just clicking your links. So we can go ahead and then be creative. I can say discover and come down and say, okay, so we come up with this headline, really cool. There's something that is, arousing curiosity, and that is this thing, the secret no selling method. To make blah blah day from people simply clicking your links. So I'm gonna go ahead and then reduce the size of this text up here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna highlight this, okay, and then change the color to something like so what I can do is I can reduce the size of this text over here to make it fit there, and I will bold this, okay, and then what I can do is I will change the background of this to make it look nice. I will come over here to background and style, choose something. I want to make this black, okay. I can drag this to make it look really black, and then hit apply, and don't forget to save your work. So what I can do now is I can highlight the text and change the color. So the way to do that is come over to main here, click this color, and then I want to drag it to white and copy the color code and hit apply. So now it is white. I'm gonna do the same thing with this text here. I'm gonna come over here, I copied the text code, sorry, the color code. So I'm not, yeah, great. So there it is. I can go ahead and try to see if I can replicate the same color they use, and then save. Great, so I think the color is very similar. So this is congruency, right? So what you can do now is you can tell people what to do. People always love to be told what to do, okay? Even though they know what they should do. So I just told them what to do. Enter your best email below for instant access, right? So this quiz page really looks nice, okay? So what we can do now is we can edit this lead generation form. So I'm gonna click on it, and if you come over here, you can see edit form elements. Now the first thing I can do is I can remove the name, because the more fields you have, the less your conversion is. So what I can do is I can go ahead and hit the trash icon here and remove the name. You can remove the email because that is there by default. So if you always want to add fields, you can come over here and add fields, right? So let's say that I am really happy with these. So what I can do is I can also edit the button, and I like this call to action, so I can just bold it, okay? And then I can go back to the sales page and see if I can see some button. Yeah, they're using this add to cart button all over here. So that's it. Great. So what I can do is I can just go back to my page, okay? And the next thing that you can always change the color of this button, okay? But I'm not going to be doing that. So as you can see, we have a very nice looking quiz page. Okay, the purpose of this page is just to collect email address of people and then redirect them to the offer. So if you want to link this to your email service provider, I basically use GetResponse. You can use GetResponse because it's the best for affiliate marketing, and also it is very affordable. Okay, and it integrates with all these tools like Thrive Architect, lead pages, and all those tools that you can use to build landing pages or quiz pages. Okay, so what you can do is you can come over, you can connect this through an API key of the email service provider that you use. I will leave a link below the description of this video for you to go ahead and get 30 days of GetResponse, or you can use the HTML code of the form that you build inside your email service provider. So I'm not going to go into that because it's very technical. As of now, we're just looking for how to create a quiz page, but I have so many videos I think that covers that topic. So what you can do is you can go ahead and add connection. Okay, we are just gonna go ahead and add simple connection, which is our email here, and we can go to compose mail. So it's gonna take us over here. You're not gonna do that, but it's just like I want to show you some examples. Okay, once people put their email address here, I want to redirect them to the offer. So to do that, I can come over here to the target URL, because after successful submission, I redirect them to a custom URL. So I can copy the link of this page, and then what I can do is I can put that here and paste it and then save it. So now I can go ahead and preview my page to see how it looks. Great, so I have a good looking page. I can put my email here and I can test this quiz page. Great, so the email has been collected and then it redirects me to the offer. So with this method, you are actually collecting people's email addresses and also redirect them when they buy. Okay, it's pretty cool. But if they don't buy, you can follow up with them with your email service provider. So this is how easy it is to build a quiz page. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section. Go ahead, subscribe to my channel and like this video, and then ask any question that you want to ask in the comment section. I will see you in the other videos, guys. I'm out.